What's your favorite meal to eat for breakfast? Well, mine is French toast. If you're someone who enjoys eating breakfast in the morning, today I'm going to show you how simple it is to make breakfast in less than 10 minutes. I will show you the ingredients, the preparation, and lastly, how to cook. I'll tell you the ingredients you will need. According to Rajon and Cinnamon French Toast Sticks, the speaker states that you need the following ingredients: 1 bread loaf, 2 eggs, a generous pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of white sugar, 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and to serve, maple syrup, and last but not least, a pinch of cinnamon. Preferably in the recipe, it states to use Texas toast bread. If you cannot find it or have it, you can substitute with any choice of your liking, like I did. I substitute with Nature Owns buttermilk bread. It roughly costs around $2.64, depending on tax. You can always substitute the ingredients with anything similar of your liking. Now that I gave you the ingredients that you can use for your French toast, let's move on to the preparation of this meal. You will need to grab a bowl, get your 2 eggs, and crack them into the bowl. Beat the eggs. Now add milk. You can use any milk that you prefer. And continue to whisk them together till it's a nice creamy yellow mixture. Just like that. You can start by adding your seasoning, 1 tablespoon of sugar. Make sure it's white sugar. And continue to mix. Add a little bit of salt. You can use a measuring cup or just use a little bit just like that. And continue to mix again. And then add a sprinkle of cinnamon. Not too much. And continue to whisk it all together.
1.
Now that you have your ingredients mixed together, get a pan and put it on the stove. Put your stove on a medium heat. Get your unsalted butter and spread it around the pan, just so your toast does not stick to the bottom. Now that you have your mixture, you soak your bread and put it on your pan. You don't need to soak it completely, but just enough so it gets on both sides of the bread. Make sure it doesn't drop. Just put it on the stove. You want your French toast to get to a nice golden brown. You want to leave it on this side for 3 to 4 minutes and then flip it to the other side. If you are using an electric stove or a gas stove, you will need to put between a low and medium so that you won't burn your toast. The ingredients you need to make French toast, the preparation, and overall cook the meal. If you're someone who enjoys cooking, this will be an easy and delicious meal to try with your family and share with anybody. This is overall how it looks. I cut into a little bit of pieces. It is small, but if you add more French toast, especially if you're making for a family, it will look more bigger and fulfilling.